Hey guys, how's everybody doing? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the best ways to change a wire spool in your MIG welder. Add a wire, not coming out. First thing you do is shut off the gas. So you're going to straighten out your line. And a lot of times, if you're not careful, if you're doing high voltage stuff like spray transfer, it'll melt itself right into the tip and there won't be anything popping out. So I like to pull this guy off, take out my contact tip, and see how it's kind of sticking already. And straightening out your line will help this wire pull through much easier. Leave your contact tip out until you get the new wire set in. Take out your old spool. Remember how it all goes together. You're gonna grab your new spool, and this will usually be underneath the sticker. So what you're gonna do is put your thumb right over the wire that's popping out of here. Straighten this guy out, pop it through, hold it nice and straight. This is a trick I learned with spool guns. Makes it feed easy. You pinch it and just kind of back bend it until it's nice and straight. See how that wire's nice and straight? Clip it off at the part where it starts to get nice and straight. Once it catches, tighten it back down. You don't want to snug it too much, just enough so it doesn't spin by itself. And these big ones seem to do just fine. Then what you're going to do is turn your wire speed all the way up. Make sure your gas is still off. Nice and straight, no kinks. Hold the trigger down. Watch it, make sure your spool's not going to roll off. And you'll be able to feel it once it comes and pops out. Oh, feel it starting here? There it is. Now, check if your drive roll's still at a good tension. Hold your finger. You should be able to stop it. It looks like it's a little tight. That's about good. Good time to clean out your nozzle. And you're all set. Well guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you learned something. If it helped you, give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe for future videos. I'm going to be trying to put one out every Friday. They'll be a little bit better quality than this one, but I really want to get started on that. You can follow me on Instagram at 5th Street Fab, and let me know in the comments below if this helped you and what other videos you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching and have a great day. What was the other thing I was going to say? Something.